Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and if you remember yesterday we had day 20 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas and we got this panel of all different fabrics. We have no idea what it's for, and now we have day 21. So let's go ahead and see if this gift tells us what that panel was for. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness, this is stuck. Okay. Oops. So I got two patterns here. I'm probably only supposed to get one, so hopefully somebody's not missing their pattern. So this is a simple quilty shoulder bag by Missouri Star Quilt Co. It does measure 10 inches by 6.5 inches by 10.5 inches. Look how cute this is. And it has this little drawstring closure. How adorable. You get to work with some hardware, which I've never done before. So actually this is extremely exciting. You get to use the embroidery that hopefully you were able to practice from 2 days ago, I believe it was. All right, here are the requirements. This is so exciting. All right, so we have So Light Fusible Woven Interfacing. What is this? This is a 20-inch by 24-inch cut. We have all the hardware, so let's see what's in here. This is such a fun project. All right, so here is a drawstring. All right, let me know how you guys would finish these ends though. All right, they're pretty much, I mean, there's like a little bit of a hard substance on them, but I mean, you can see that they're fraying. I'm definitely curious, because I don't make bags, I'm curious to know how you would finish the ends here so that they don't continue to fray. We have our strap. Okay, this is really nice, sturdy material. Same thing, I don't know, do you need to finish the ends somehow when you're creating a bag? Definitely let me know down below. Although I guess the instructions would also probably tell me, I'm not really sure. All right, and here's all of our hardware. So we get this for the strap to kind of secure it. We get two swivel clips here. Let me see if I can show them to you. Two swivel clips. These are kind of like a brass color in person. We've got two of these guys that I'm assuming you put the brass clips on, like this, right? Okay. And then we've got our little drawstring clip here. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm super excited about this project. I will definitely be completing this little bag. It's adorable. Let me know what you guys thought down below. Are you excited for this project as much as I am? And I will see you tomorrow for day number 22. Bye, everybody.